what we're going to talk about now is just the beginning of the course and the items I'm going to need you to have present when I'm installing the machine. Whether we're doing a PC to PC installation, which I do with individuals who are doing the same 4 or 5 widgets. But remember, if you want to know the full extent of what the machine will do, then you're going to need to pay for an on-site installation and training. But we can definitely get you started for PC to PC and then just work as we go. But I've been in the industry since 1990, working on lasers since 95, glass tube lasers since 2000, and fiber since 2005. And so I'm fairly knowledgeable. I've been with Boss for a while now. Now, the first one will be items I need you to have as we process. Now, as we go in here, you're going to see this first page. So obviously you're on video PI1 for pre-installation. And I need you to have the following. I need you to have 2 grounded extension cords, right? 2 isobar surge protectors, which you can get from a company called Triplite, but I hear you can also go on to Amazon and get them for half the price they're listed at Triplite. A lens cleaner and white lithium grease. So lens cleaner is denatured alcohol, or a lens cleaner you can get at a camera store. Get that online as well. Chem wipes and Q-tips. Now, if you can, there is Q-tips that have a little V-sponge on the end of them they use to clean printers. Those are also very good to have. Have 3 12 by 12, roughly, pieces of birch, alder, or poplar wood for testing. And then any personalized samples that you want me to do while we're there that we're going to dial into the machine to make sure that the settings are all dead on for plastic or acrylic or marble or whatever you happen to be doing. The other thing that I would definitely make sure is that your hard drive has at least 75 gigs of open space, and that your PC has 8 to 16 gig of RAM on it. Have a PC set aside just for that laser. Even if you're transferring information via jump drive to it, we need a PC to set up in case we ever need to hook up to it remotely. Remember, I do have a staff of 5 here on the West Coast, plus the group there. And make sure you have speakers on your unit. You can run the units wirelessly. And then you want the chiller and the laser to be on an isolated line. In other words, you can go to your circuit breaker box, turn the power off, and the only 2 items that go off are those. And then you want the blower and the exhaust on the other surge protector, but I don't care what circuit you put on that, just as long as it's not on with the laser. All right, thanks.